What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I won't be bringing the party anymore everywhere we go because we're gonna go pick up the red car. Let's go. No more MORE Fiesta. Hello, Mustang. We got the red car back. No more Fiesta. Woo. Thank God. So yeah, I didn't record the whole process of getting the car because I wanted to pay attention to what I was doing and make sure everything was good with the car. And they were awesome. The whole process was good. I mean, it took like about a month, but I mean, something major like this, you know, I guess it takes time. Everybody has the same issue. It takes time. Nobody gets it done in 2 or 3 days. So, oh my God, look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but I have it on the dash cam. I'm going to try to grab it. It's a convertible 2nd gen S550 Mustang, and it has spinners with chrome and yellow on them. The car is yellow and the spinners are yellow and chrome. The code for this video is spinners. Yeah, I mean, to each his own, right? But I don't know, where was I? So we had the car for a couple days, everything is good, and it has Corsa Extreme Catback. Right now you can listen, 0 drone, sounds awesome. I'm gonna let you listen to it. I'm gonna do a cold start, I'm gonna do some revs, 3,000, 5,000 RPM, a little bit higher. We're gonna do some drive-bys. We're gonna put the mic in the back, let you listen to it in normal mode or drive, and then in sport mode, so you can listen to those, you know, high, when it stays highs in the revs, and then when it downshifts real quick. We'll let you listen to all that. Also, the giveaway is still going on. We're past 1,500 subscribers, so when we get to 2,000, it's live. You know, go click on the link below in the description. I'll put the video there, so that way you guys know what you know, what do you have to do to enter the giveaway. And just stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the exhaust note.